And our home must be a place that fully abounds with praise, a reflection of His face. We'll build a house told of faith that together we can make. And when the strong winds blow, it won't fall down. As one in Him will grow, and the whole world will know we are a household of faith.